What is going on, guys? Gio here from the ChummiTV, back with another video. So today's part 2 of the unboxing series. Right here we have this very huge Supreme bag. So let's quickly get right into the video. Peace. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we're doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. And again, if you haven't watched part 1, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at streetwear.haul because most of the stuff that we'll be unboxing here today will be up for sale over there. First up, we have this small Supreme plastic bag. And inside, we have to start with a banger. Right here we have this Supreme JPGT, John Paul Gaultier. And I'm not really sure if this is considered a box logo. As you can see the design, I don't want to open it because I'm about to sell this, so it's sealed right here. But yeah, I'll pop a picture on screen right now and check if you guys like the design of this. So let's check what's inside the plastic bag. So here it came with 2 Supreme sticker packs. Has this cool little Uzi sticker, nice, and also another Supreme sticker pack there, and 2 little Supreme plastics. So over here, up next, we have this cool little accessory. We have the Supreme Hot Wheels collab. So this is really cool. It really made me reminisce about my childhood because I used to collect Hot Wheels back in kinder. So it's very cool that Supreme collaborated with the Hot Wheels to make this accessory. So yeah, for sure I'll be keeping this right here. Solid. So up next we have another separate Supreme bag right here. And it has a lot of items inside, so let's check it out. So first up, we have this Supreme Spring Summer 19 organizer pouch, which retailed for $44. And solid. We also have this ice blue shoulder bag from Supreme Spring Summer 19. Which retailed for $88. Next, we have another Supreme organizer pouch right here. Another black one. We also have a red one. There. And right here, we have another shoulder bag. So I got a lot of bags because for me, these are best sellers in the Philippines. Like a lot of people are looking for bags that are from Supreme. So yeah, I stocked up on these this season. So solid. If you guys are interested, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at streetwear.haul because I'll be posting this on there. So right here we have something different. We have the Spring Summer 19 waist bags in olive green. So I think this is one of the best colors that released this season, because it's not every day that Supreme actually does a olive bag from their collection. Usually there's black, there's red, and that's something different again. Ice blue waist bag right here. Solid. So we still have some stuff inside of here. Let's check it out. Supreme Master Padlock. So if you guys want to flex in school, lock your lockers with the Supreme Padlock. I'll be selling this again on my Instagram page at streetwear.haul. And solid. Right here we also have a red one. Supreme Master Padlock. And I think this is the freebie for this season. Let's check it out. Oh no, it's not. It's so rich. Here we have a lighter holder from Supreme. So it's metal. And it can be a keychain. Let's open it up. So if you guys are interested in these, let me know. And here we have a backpack from Supreme. I got the olive green color because again, for me, this is one of the coolest ones because again, Supreme doesn't make this color all the time. And yeah, this is one of my favorite colors out there. Supreme olive green backpack from Supreme Summer 19. Solid. We still have a lot of stuff here, guys. So up next we have this Supreme water bottle right here. Let me show you guys. There, it's embossed in red. And the color of the water bottle is white. Made by the company SIGG, S-I-G-G. Little cool accessory water bottle. So it actually came in two colors. Also here we have the black colorway with the white embossed Supreme box logo. Solid, all black. I think this retailed for around $40. It's not bad. Over here. Ooh. There we go, solid. The Supreme kitchen towels. So it actually came with three colors. It has black, red, and blue. It's in the middle, right here. So kitchen towels. So up next we still have some packages right here. I can't show you guys the address. We have another Supreme bag. Let's check what's inside of here. So I don't think we unboxed a black waist bag already. Sorry. I think I'll be keeping this for the personal. And right here we have another Supreme shoulder bag in black. So what came with it is just two normal box logo stickers. And we actually gave some away before, Supreme box logo stickers. Here we have another package. Let's check it out. Oh, it's another package from Minimal. Actually got another pair of ripped jeans. And this one is actually a design that I like, so I'll be keeping this right here. There, Minimal jeans. Another Supreme padlock in red. And then we have a lot of T-shirts right here. Bam. Hold up. So let's get each individually. So right here we have the Supreme Creeper Tee. I believe that's what it's called. There, Creeper Tee. So this retailed for only $38 right here. So I actually stocked up on T-shirts this season from week 1 because for me this sell easier in the Philippines because sino ba naman magja-jacket in the Philippines, right? It's super hot. So, and I got a lot of T-shirts for you guys. Make sure that you follow streetwear.all on Instagram. We have another Creeper Tee in gray. There, another Creeper Tee in yellow. Size medium. Again, retailed for around $38. Another Creeper Tee, same size, same color. Here, ooh, something different. So right here we have the King of New York tee, which released week 1 also, together with the Creeper Tee. And size medium. Navy blue. Another cheaper tee. So I got a lot of this design because I think this was one of the coolest designs that released in week 1. And Supreme actually allowed us to get a lot of this design because, shit, I'm not sure. They usually don't allow selling a lot of stuff. Ooh, right here. I can't show this to you guys. Might get demonetized. But it's the Supreme Fine Arts tee. Ayan, in white, XL. Bam. Same thing right here. Supreme Laden Swan tee right here. Sure it is. Right here. Laden Swan tee. Size XL. Ooh, this one's nice. So right here we have another Supreme Kids tee. They're pretty solid. So right here the kid is actually writing "I love Satan." It has a little Supreme like subtle design over there. Kids tee, size XL. Right here we have another Supreme Laden Swan tee. Can show you guys that. Supreme Fine Arts, size large in black. So next we have another cheaper tee in gray, size medium. So now I actually got a lot of variety in sizes because a lot of you guys were actually looking for size medium, size large. So I usually get my true to size, which is a large or XL, because if it doesn't sell, I'll just be using it. But this time I got a lot of medium for you guys. So make sure to hit me up on my Instagram page. So up next we have another cheaper tee right here. And lastly, before my camera dies, we have another cheaper tee, which is kind of cool because it's printed on this camo design t-shirt, which isn't like normal for Supreme. Same retail, around $38. So I'll get back with you guys once I change the battery of this camera. Peace. So the camera died. So that was actually it for the Supreme unboxing. We just have the receipt over here. So we spent around $1,000 for the first week on Supreme t-shirts. And to close off this video, I just wanted to unbox this as well. We have some Astroworld merch from Travis Scott's concert. Right here we still have some Astroworld merch. There. Astroworld, California, Los Angeles. Yeah, it's solid. These would go well with the Travis Scott Jordan ones. And solid. Size large. Astroworld, California, same design. We have a hoodie right here. Astroworld Tour. And at the back it has "Wish You Were Here," Travis Scott, and the dates of the tour. And solid. So these will be up for sale as well. Astroworld merch. And lastly, we have another t-shirt. Astroworld, California. Yeah, there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Again, if you haven't watched part 1 of this unboxing, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we'll be doing a giveaway once we hit 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at streetwear.haul because again, most of the stuff that we unboxed here today will be up for sale over there. Follow my personal Instagram page at Gio Santa Maria. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.